want to appreciate one of our key sponsors. This is a bronze sponsor, Saisidha. A big round of applause for Sanjeev. Makofi yake tafadhali.
Till now we are talking from the morning sugarcane yield, how to develop sugarcane yield, how to increase the growth of the sugar mills. Now I want to little bit go to the sugar industry side. Of course, both are important for us. Sugarcane yield is important. At the same time, we have to develop a sugar industry also by making innovative technologies, increasing the efficiency of the plant. Means to bring it to the standard levels, international level of standards, to achieve the efficiencies of the sugar mills which are upcoming and existing sugar mills in Kenya. That's also our main aim. Unless and until sugar mills get the funds, they will not pay good money to the farmers. That's the main, the money comes from where? Basically from the efficiency improvement, losses you have to improve, efficiency improvement, and diversification of the projects, like cogeneration, like ethanol blending. These are the main criterias. We are from the basically sugar industry side. I want to tell that we have almost installed 20 plus EPC plants in Africa. Out of that, 9 from 13 sugar plants in Uganda, 9 we have installed. And in Kenya, we have installed 3, now another up 2 are upcoming. So major stakeholders in the Africa is the Saisidha Engineering in terms of supply of sugar mills. With this brief background, I'll start my presentation. Exactly, my presentation includes what is Saisidha, what we have done for the Africa, and how we have achieved the results in African sugar industries at par with the standard industrial norms. These are all new plants which we have constructed in Kenya and Uganda. The West Valley sugar is in Kenya. Saisidha Engineering is an EPC company which normally undertakes complete sugar plants, high pressure cogeneration plants and distilleries, molasses based and grain based distilleries. We have been working with both cooperative sectors and private sectors. We are taking completely design, in-house engineering, supply, delivery, complete turnkey project we are delivering to the African industries, African country and Latin America countries and in India basically. Basically, we do sugar plants ranging from 1000 TCD to 24,000 TCD. High pressure boiler manufacturing, we are doing up to 250 tons as per ASME and IBR standards. Cogeneration plant, we are doing for all the complete cogeneration plant by using high pressure steam technologies we are doing for sugar mills, including back pressure and condensing turbines. Distillery plants, we are producing, our produced ethanol is selling with a high technology, high quality ethanol is being produced from molasses and grain, both commodities. And based from the ethanol plant, whatever CO2 generated will be purified and given to the Coca-Cola industries. That plant also we can deliver. We are doing special, some of the nuclear industries and defense industry also, we are giving some of the specialized equipment. What is Saisidha in numbers, basically? Saisidha has done, is having 3 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, and 100 plus qualified engineers are appointed at our engineering level and manufacturing level. We have completed in Africa 15 months. Within 15 months, we have completed the project in Africa, starting from the design up to the commissioning, including all from shipment from the India. We have been called as 2-star export house, basically, because we are continuously shipping the materials. 100 plus equipment supplied globally. In totally, in last 40 years, we have completed 40 EPC projects. Out of that, 20 plus are in African countries. Basically, these are the three workshops we are having. One is in Pune MIDC, where we are normally manufacturing SS materials and assembling unit. Solapur MIDC, we are manufacturing all the processes, equipment, structures, whatever required for the sugar mills. In the Kolhapur region, all three regions are in Maharashtra actually, just in India. And in Kolhapur region, we are manufacturing mills, basically mill and mill associated equipments. These are our some of the photos of our workshop. One is in Solapur, Pune, and Kolhapur. These are some of the equipments what we are having to manufacture the sugar equipment, sugar plant equipment, processing plant equipments. We are having high-speed CNC machines, EOT crane, various type of EOT cranes, CNC bending machines, saw machine, cutting machines. All the high-tech machines means automated and CNC technology we are using for the manufacturing of the equipment. Yeah. We have been certified and affiliated with IBR and ASCB technologies. Normally, boilers, whatever we manufacture, is based on the IBR, and for the overseas African countries, we are following ASME as a standard. We have been recognized with the Exim Bank of India to do the LOC project, line of control projects. And we have been affiliated with the Nuclear Power of India Corporation. In Uganda, we have done almost 9 plants. One is Buguri Sugars, GM Sugars, Hoima, Kamuli, Kidera, Kinyara, Kinyandago, Mayuge, and modern distillery. Almost 9 plants we did in Uganda, various capacities. And rest of the world, as I told you, in Kenya, we are done West Valley, Kiricho, West Valley, and Swite we are doing. Almost West Valley is commissioned in August 23. And Swite we are going to commission, we are already commissioned, I think, West Valley expansion. So these are all international projects we have done. And we have been in Latin America also, like Mexico and Belize and Costa Rica, like that countries we have supplied many equipments. Some domestic projects also we have done. This all including 40 projects we have done altogether. Now, a legacy of trust in Africa. Basically, African country has a lot of trust on our company based on the quality of the equipment supplied and the installation time what we are doing. Almost 15 months, 18 months we are doing complete project. And the performance what we have achieved, that's a very, very means remarkable. That's why the peoples of Africa are trust on Saisidha. This is another $1 billion sugar project with 3,500 TCD. We have completed in Uganda almost, as I told, 70% of the sugar industry is developed by us in Uganda. 9 complete sugar plants, 1 distillery, and 1 CO2 purification plant we have done in Uganda. These are the turnkey basis. We can say a lion's share in Uganda. We are the lion's share in Uganda because we have almost supplied 40 plus sugar mills, 29 mills in Uganda, 28 mills in Uganda. First GRPF we have installed in Uganda. And 9 sugar complete plants in Africa and 5 sugar plants in under installation. Out of that under installation, we have achieved 31% sugar cane, percent cane on sugar. 15 months we have delivered the plant. 100 plus qualified engineers and 1,000 equipments globally we have supplied. We have been called 2-star house. Basically, Saisidha is contributing food security in African region, local employment and training, and foreign exchange reserves. This is our main impact in African countries. Our ongoing projects, this is, you might be doing this West Valley, is around I'll go one by one. The capacities, what we have achieved and what are the standard results and what we have achieved. West Valley is 1250 TCD, expandable to 2200 TCD plant. We have commissioned this plant in August 2023. This plant is designed so well within a year or half year, 1.5 years, such a way that within 1.5 years they have expanded to 2200 TCD plant in the same plant by achieving, earlier the steam consumption was 41%. We have reduced to 36%. Within the same boiler, we have increased the capacity to 2200 TCD. These are the West Valley the achievements. Initially, we have given this plant 2000. This is commissioned in 2023, and expansion KPIs recently we have commissioned in last month. We have achieved almost 2,200 TCD sugar plant with 36% cane. Now, in the last month, December, we have commissioned 20 KLPD sugar ethanol plant for the West Valley. This is the growth of the West Valley. Completely Saisidha is involved in that. And molasses-based distillery plant, which is very good quality ethanol, ENA, extra neutral alcohol we are producing. It's a second unit of West Valley only, white sugar. This is also This is also Saisidha is doing. Same way, this will be commissioned in the January or February month. Almost the plant is getting ready. And this is another one is Buguri plant, which is in Uganda, which is commissioned in COVID time. This is a 2,500 TCD plant, 3,500 to 5,500 TCD, 4 mil tandem, quintuple evaporation. We are almost using we are almost falling film evaporators and latest technology like vertical continuous fans to reduce the steam consumption, and high pressure technology, boilers and turbines. This is the Buguri plant, what we have installed. We have given almost 30 KLPD plant to modern distilleries, where they are having exporting the ethanol and CO2 to Coca-Cola and Lamborghini. That quality we are producing ethanol. Modern distilleries, that only I told you now, 30 KLPD plant in Uganda. They are selling CO2 to Coca-Cola and ethanol to Lamborghini. Almost 35 KLPD plant. This is the plant look, how it looks. Kidera sugar is the highest capacity sugar we did, 6,500 TCD, expandable to 10,000 TCD, with 120 ton boil, 120 ton highest capacity boiler with 67 kg. Single drum boiler we have installed in Uganda. These are the proposed KPI. KPI means key performance indicators, what we have achieved from that plant. We have achieved here 36% on cane. The turnkey sugar plant, modern distilleries already have been told, milling plant efficiency already. Now another one, now I'll move on to a little bit South Africa. We have already done, there are also some plants like Gidao sugar, modernization and expansion we have done. This is another one, green plant, now recently awarded to us from Tanzania. Tanzania, we are doing one complete green plant, 2,500 TCD to 3,500 TCD with 50 ton boiler and almost 10 megawatt cogeneration plant. This is the model project for us, completely from design up to commissioning Saisidha is doing, and this will be commissioned in the month of September or October 2026. The Lake Agro group is there, that is ordered, this Lake oil pump stations you might have seen in Tanzania and oil, that group company is there, Lake Agro. These are some of the equipments which are ready to ship, and already equipment started shipping. Within a 9th month progresses this, we have started shipping the equipments. There are some of the installations which we done in India. Basically boilers. We have completed 12 boilers, maximum capacity of 120 ton, including all our journey. Some of the domestic projects in India. Our sugar technology, we are producing pharma-grade sugars, liquid sugar, light brown sugar, refined sugar. These are all various commodity of sugars what we are producing from our sugar mills. We have installed, this is one of the patented technology and main steam-saving device. Normally, we are installing in all the sugar mills. With this, we are achieving 2 to 3% steam reduction. And we have given 170 plus installations of this. Having known the journey of Saisidha in Africa, as I told you, a remarkable journey, and the trust what the African people and African government and His Excellency is given to us is remarkable. The support, the kind what we got from the African government and His Excellency is, we cannot, is the foundation for us. Basically, from this foundation, we have grown and we have reached out from the Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania. Now, even we have gone in Nigeria. So we are grown like anything now. So this all trust begin with Kenya. So, and we really appreciate Sugar Board for organizing such a fantastic event. We are very much appreciated and given a chance to us to present at this stage. Thank you very much, sir.
Well, thank you so much. A big round of applause. Many thanks, Sanjeev, for that presentation. And we also appreciate that you found time to be part of this event. Many thanks indeed.